Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem. If your Wi-Fi is not working and not connecting any of the Wi-Fi, how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings, then you have to just swipe down or even simply type here reset. Click on reset and click on reset Wi-Fi, and here you have to draw your pattern like this and click on reset. And friends, you can see your Wi-Fi has been reset. Now your Wi-Fi is working. You can see, I show you. Click on Wi-Fi and click on network like this. You can see friends, it is working and it is fully connected. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.